Okay, almost done getting ready. Nellie's gonna be here in like literally 15 minutes. I don't think I'm gonna do my hair today, cause it looks fantastic. This is like rained on and had a busy couple days. Sorry, I've been a little MIA. Usually the end of the month, I have a lot of closings for my day job because I do real estate. So lots of closings. And then the beginning of the month, rent checks come in. So I got to process all the accounting. And then anybody that's vacated at the end of the month, I have to go see the properties, make sure they're good, hire the cleaners, photographer, do the listing, put in new tenants. So usually there's like about a week where I'm like super overwhelmed, and as much as I want to just do social media, it's like at the bottom of the list, but I'm here and today we're gonna have a super fun day. So I'm gonna probably film my day again. Tag. Okay, also how freaking cool is this mirror? Okay, my mom got it for me for my birthday. I'm just now using it for the first time because I've been busy. But it's small, it's portable. Got the lights. Oh, and it changes colors. I like this setting the best. You can turn it on and off. I don't know what that does yet. I have to read the manual, but this is so freaking cool. That was not an ad, but if I find something cool, I'm going to tell you guys about it. Oh, there goes Nellie. Oh, where'd she go? Come back. Also, something about when it's fall. I mean, yay or nay. I think this is really fancy, but I think I'm going to do it. I did it. There she is. Oh my gosh, you look fantastic. On our way to our listing, and I have the coolest feature to show you guys on Zillow when we get there. And we are going live today. Okay, so the listing's on a little bit of a dead end, and we needed 2 signs. Okay, there's one, and then there's the second one. And what the guy say? He's like, you want 2 signs?
You want 2 signs? And we're like, yes, we want 2 signs.
We need 2 signs. So here's what it ended up looking like. Okay, this is the main road, and here's our first sign pointing down the private drive to the second sign. And that's how it's done, so you can see it from the road. Guys, it's happening. Ready? 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 Yes. Loading. It's active! When you open your listing, your 3D home tour will be right there. And you could just do a nice little walk through the home, and it's so easy to use right from your phone. Seriously, I do all this advertising for Zillow, so if anybody knows anybody that works at Zillow, I should be getting paid.
Oh, we have to get the key anyway.
My tenants pay with Zelle. This is kind of behind the scenes. I check that the amount is correct. Then I come over to one of my spreadsheets, and then I just check the unit number, the month, and this is kind of what it looks like. This unit is the Airbnb. This is when it was vacant because of the remodel. I have a separate tab for that. So I come here to my Airbnb tab, and then I just grab the October total, which is this number right here. And then I put that right there.